This is Victor from Gadgets and Gears. If you've used your GoPro to take on-the-go videos, you may have accidentally dropped it on a few occasions. I had mine attached to my DJI Phantom 2 which I crashed, messing up the front plate of my GoPro. Luckily my lens didn't break. I'm going to show you a cheap replacement part that I got from Amazon for under $10 and demonstrate how easy it is to replace them. The faceplate has 7 notches that holds it in place. All you have to do is carefully pry the damaged faceplate from your GoPro. Making sure not to remove the existing glue as it will keep your replacement faceplate in place. Drop in the new faceplate. Give it a good push. And you're done. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.